Hi, welcome back to Cattington. There's an update on some scenery and some other bits and pieces. Stay tuned and we'll see you in a bit. Bye bye.
Hello all. So, hopefully from the other videos you've seen, we've been to the Hinckley Model Railway Show and we picked up some extra bargains from there. This is one of our luggage carriages. Here's another pair. These are the old Triumph ones, they're not the new Hornby ones, but you know, the details are good enough on these for what we want. I've just cut my fingernail so I can't open the doors anymore. The doors open, they swing out, which is quite nice, and it's got enough detail on there. The only problem is, I'll move one out of the way, you'll see, or you might hear, they do make quite a bit of noise, and they do actually wobble quite a lot. A little bit unstable. I've put weights in, it's just not working out. Found out what it was. It's the wheels, square wheels. If I just do that there and get out the light, there's a tiny burr on those wheels. You can just see a blodge there. There he is. And that's, oh yeah, that's out of focus. And that's the problem. Unfortunately, I don't know how to get these wheels out because we've got the pin straight through. But if I can clean up those burrs, these are going to be beautiful carriages. So that's probably why they're at a bargain. £15 for a pair. They look rather nice. Also at Hinckley, we managed to pick up a factory. This is one that was all pre-made, so it's a card kit, somebody's made it, and they were selling it off. I forget the actual price, because we got that part of the factory, and we got these two low relief ones here as well. I can't remember, it's like £2 for that pair, and this was possibly about £8 or something. Just stuck those bridges on with blue tack at the moment. But that's perfect, that's just what I was looking for. It saved me a lot of time. I can get down there. Here we go. So that's the factory section coming along nicely. We've had a small change in the village. The girl with the goose has now moved. She's managed to chase it back to the farm and the dog's helping out there. And she used to be in the middle of the road down here, so we've cleared that. More room for buses, that's what we want. We've also had a few people. These ones that we picked up a couple of weeks ago. So we've got a couple at the bench. And then there's a chappie over here with his dog. The dog's marking his territory, of course. And then one of the other things that Debbie's been up to, swing the whole way around to the castle. We're starting to plan what we're doing over here. And she's managed to put some extra foliage on the castle. I think we had a little white mark there, so we had to hide it. She's made it all pretty and kind of gives it a little bit more life. There we go. And we've still got to put the trees in and everything else, but we're getting there.